Good morning students. Welcome to today's maths class. So we have been discussing about chapter 8 HCF and LCM. Our next topic is multiples. Okay. So what do you mean by a multiple? Let us take one example. We know 5 into 1 it is 5, 5 into 2 10, 5 into 3 15, 5 into 4 20, 5 into 5 25, etc. Therefore these numbers 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. These are called multiples of 5. Okay. In order to find the multiples of 5, multiply 5 with the natural numbers, that is 1. First you are multiplying 5 with 1, then 5 with 2, then 5 with 3, 5 with 4, 5 with 5, etc. Okay, so multiples of 5, we can denote it as M5. M5 means it is multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 it is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, etc. Okay. Similarly, multiples of 3. How can you find 3 into 1? 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. 3 into 5, 15. 3 into 6, 18. 3 into 7, 21, etc. So, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, etc. Okay. Next, lowest common multiple or LCM. LCM stands for lowest common multiple. The LCM of two or more given numbers is the lowest or smallest number that is a multiple of each of the given numbers. Thus, it is the smallest number which is exactly divisible by each of the following numbers. So, LCM means it is the lowest number that is a multiple of given numbers. Okay, let us take one example. Let us find the LCM of 5 and 10. Okay, so in order to find the LCM of 5 and 10, first we have to write the multiples of 5. Okay, multiples of 5 and the multiples of 10 also you need to find. Multiples of 5, how can you find? 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 2, 10. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 4, 20. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 6, 30. 5 into 7, 35. 5 into 8, 40. 5 into 9, 45. 5 into 10, 50, etc. Let us stop here. These are the multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Next, we have to write the multiples of 10. So, 10 into 1, 10. 10 into 2, 20. 10 into 3, 30. 10 into 4, 40. 10 into 5, 50. 10 into 6, 60. 10 into 7, 70. 10 into 8, 80. 10 into 9, 90. 10 into 10, 100. So, these are the first 10 multiples of 10. Okay. Now, we can find the common multiples. Common multiples of 5 and 10. Common multiples means the multiples or the numbers that are coming in both the 5 and 10. Okay. So, you can see here 10 is coming in both the multiples of 5 and 10. Then 20 is coming. Then 30 is coming. 40 is coming. 50 is coming. Okay. So, you can write common multiples of 5 and 10 are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. Okay, there are many number of multiples of 5 and 10. We write up to 50 and up to 100 only. That's why we got this much numbers only. Okay, now you can find the lowest common multiple or LCM. That means which one is the lowest among these multiples. The lowest number we can see here 10. Okay, among common multiples of 5 and 10, the least number or lowest number it is 10. So, LCM of 5 and 10 it will be 10. Okay, so LCM means LCM of two or more given numbers is the lowest number that is a multiple of each of the given numbers. Okay, lowest number. ഈ given numbers in the multiple ആയിട്ടുള്ള lowest number ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ LCM. ഓക്കെ, 10 എന്ന് പറയുന്നതാണ് 5ൻ്റെയും 10ൻ്റെയും മൾട്ടിപ്പിളായിട്ട് വരുന്ന ലോവസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ. ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ കോമൺ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസ് ഓഫ് 5 ആൻഡ് 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 എന്നുള്ളത് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആക്ച്വലി 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 ഒക്കെ 5ൻ്റെയും 10ൻ്റെയും മൾട്ടിപ്പിളാണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഈ രണ്ട് നമ്പേഴ്സിൻ്റെയും മൾട്ടിപ്പിളായിട്ട് വരുന്ന നമ്പേഴ്സാണ്. ആ മൾട്ടിപ്പിൾസിൽ ഏറ്റവും ലീസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ളത് 10 ആണ്. ഓർ ലോവസ്റ്റ് നമ്പർ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 10 ആണ്. ദാറ്റ്സ് വൈ LCM of 5 and 10, it will be 10. Okay, so LCM is the least number that is a multiple of both the given numbers. Okay, next topic, methods of finding LCM. So we studied methods of finding HCF. Similarly, there are three methods for finding LCM also. First one, common multiple method. Second one, prime factor method. Third one, common division method. Okay, so let's see one by one. Exercise 8C, in that first question, using the common multiple method, find the LCM of the following. First one, 8, 12 and 24. So you have to use common multiple method to find the LCM here. Okay, so in common multiple method, first we write the multiples of the given numbers. Okay, first we can write the multiples of 8. Okay, what are the multiples of 8? 8 into 1, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 3, 24. 8 into 4, 32. 8 into 5, 40. Then 8 into 6, 48. 8 into 7, 56. 8 into 8, 64. 8 into 9, 72. 8 into 8, 80. Let us write up to 80 only. Okay, next write the multiples of second number. What is that? 12. Okay, so 12 into 1, 12. 12 into 2, 24. Into 3, 36. 12 into 4, 48. 12 into 5, 60. 12 into 6, 72. 12 into 7, 84. 12 into 8, 96. 12 into 9, 108. 12 into 10, 120. Okay, now next let us write the multiples of 24. Now 24 into 1, 24. 24 into 2, 48. 24 into 3, 72. 24 into 4, 96. 24 into 5, 120. Okay, let us stop here. This much only needed, etc. Next, what we need to find is common multiples of 8, 12 and 24. Okay, what are the numbers that are coming in both multiples of 8, multiples of 12 and multiples of 24? Let us see. First number, it is 24. 24 is coming in these three numbers, 8, 12 and 24. Okay, then you can see 48 is coming. Okay, then 72 is coming. Okay, 3 only needed. At least 3 you can find. Okay, so you can write common multiples are 24, 48, 72, etc. There are many numbers. There will be many numbers as common multiples of 8, 12 and 24. Okay, so now next you can write LCM of 8, 12 and 24. So among this common multiple, 24 is the lowest number. So LCM of 8, 12 and 24, it is 24. This method is common multiple method. Okay, in that second one, 10, 15 and 20. So first we can write the multiples of 10. Okay, we know the 10 into 1, 10, 10 into 2, 20, 10 into 3, 30, 10 into 4, 40, 10 into 5, 50, 10 into 6, 60, 10 into 7, 70, 10 into 8, 80, 10 into 9, 90, 10 into 10, 100. Okay, up to 100 let us write. Next, let us write the multiples of 15. 15 into 1, 15, 15 into 2, 30, 15 into 3, 45, 15 into 4, 60, 15 into 5, 75, 15 into 6, 90, 15 into 7, 105. 15 into 8, 120. 15 into 9, 135. And 15 into 10, 150. Okay. Then last, let us write the multiples of 20. Okay, that also you can find. 20 into 1, 20. 20 into 2, 40. 20 into 3, 60. 20 into 4, 80. 20 into 500. 20 into 600, 20. 20 into 740, 20 into 8, 160, 20 into 9, 180, 20 into 10, 200. Now we can find the common multiples of 10, 15 and 20. Common multiples of 10, 15 and 20. You can see here which number is coming first. Here 20, 40, 60 is coming. 60 is coming in these three numbers, you can see. Okay, next number, it will be 120. If you write more multiples of 10, 100. Now after that 110 will come, then 120, 130, etc. So next number it will be 120. Common multiple, it will be 120. Okay, so here common multiples of 10, 15 and 20, it is 60, 120, etc. Now we can find the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. So among this common multiple, which one is the lowest? It is 60. Okay, so 60 will be the LCM of 10, 15 and 20. Okay. Now second question, find the LCM of each of the following group of numbers using first the prime factor method and second the common division method. So you have to find the LCM of the given numbers using the prime factor method and the common division method. Okay, using both method you have to find the LCM. First question 18, 24 and 96. So first let us use prime factor method. Okay, in prime factor method, what we are doing is do the prime factorization of the given numbers. Okay, first number let us take 18. 18. What will be the prime factorization of 18? 18 you can divide by 2. 9. 9 you can divide by 3. 3. 3 you can divide by 3. 1. Okay, so 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. Next, you can write 24. Doing the prime factorization of 24, what you will get? 24 you can divide by 2, 12. 12 you can divide by 2, 6. 6 you can divide by 2, 3. 3 you can divide by 3, 1. You will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now third number, it is 96. So doing the prime factorization of 96. 96 you can divide by 2, 48. 48 you can divide by 2, 24. 24 you can divide by 2, 12. 12 by 2 it is 6. 6 by 2, 3. 3 by 3, 1. Okay, so 96 how can you write? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. Now you can see in these three numbers 18, 24 and 96, the prime factors used are 2 and 3. Okay, ഈ മൂന്ന് നമ്പേഴ്സിലും കൂടി പ്രൈം ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് യൂസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുന്നത് 2ഉം 3ഉമാണ്. So let us take a first prime factor, that is 2. Okay, 2 here it is 1 time it is coming. Okay, in 24 2 is coming 3 times. In 96 2 is coming 5 times. So in order to find the LCM, you have to take the higher number. How many times 2 is coming more, that you have to select. ഇവിടെ 1 time 2 വരുന്നുണ്ട്, 3 time വരുന്നുണ്ട്, 5 time വരുന്നുണ്ട്. So you have to select 5 times. Okay, for finding LCM 2, 5 times you have to take. Okay, now next let us take a 3. 3 here 2 times 3 is coming. Here one time, here one time. So which one we will select? 2 times. More number of times we will select. Okay. So into 3 into 3. 2 times 3 we select. Now you can find the LCM by finding the product of this. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. 32 into 3. You can find 32 into 3, it is 96. 96 into, again one more 3 is there. You will get a 288. So 288 will be the LCM of 18, 24 and 96. And this method, it is called a prime factor method. Okay. Next, let us find the LCM of 18, 24 and 96 using common division method. Okay. So in common division method, we are doing the prime factorization of 18, 24 and 96 together. Okay. Common division method is the most commonly used method for finding LCM. So 18, 24 and 96, we are doing the prime factorization together. Now we have to find a number with which you can divide these three numbers. ഈ 3 നമ്പേഴ്സിനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു പ്രൈം നമ്പറാണ് നമ്മൾക്ക് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. സോ ഫസ്റ്റ് പ്രൈം നമ്പർ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് 2. യു ക്യാൻ ഡിവൈഡ് 18, 24 and 96 by 2. So you can take 2 here. Okay. 18 divided by 2, 9. 24 divided by 2, 12. 96 divided by 2, 48. Okay. Now 9, 12 and 48. Again we have to select a prime number with which you can divide 9, 12 and 48. 9നെയും 12നെയും 48നെയും ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു പ്രൈം നമ്പർ. 2 we can't select because 9 we can't divide by 2. Okay, 9നെ 2 വെച്ച് ഡിവിഷൻ ചെയ്യുക കംപ്ലീറ്റ്ലി ഡിവിസിബിൾ അല്ല. Okay, 9 is not divisible by 2. So we can't select 2. We can select 3 here because 9, 12 and 48, it is these three numbers are divisible by 3. Okay, 9 ഉം 12 ഉം 48 ഒക്കെ 3ൽ ഡിവിസിബിൾ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് ഇവിടെ 3 സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാം. 2 നമുക്ക് സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല ബിക്കോസ് 9 2ൽ ഡിവിസിബിൾ അല്ല. ദാറ്റ്സ് വൈ. Okay, 9 divided by 3, 3. 12 divided by 3, 4. 48 divided by 3, 16. Now you have to find a prime number with which you can divide 3, 4 and 16. Okay. ഇവിടെ ഒരു പ്രൈം നമ്പർ നമ്മൾ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കണം 3നെയും 4നെയും 16നെയും ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നത്. ക്യാൻ വി ഫൈൻഡ് എ നമ്പർ? Actually we can't find a prime number with which you can divide 3, 4 and 16. Okay, so what to do is we can see here 4 and 16. Okay, we can divide 4 and 16 by 2. Okay, so we can select 2 here. Okay, 3 you can't divide by 2, so write 3 itself. In place of 3 you can write 3 itself. 4 you can divide by 2, so 4 divided by 2 it is 2. 16 you can divide by 2, it is 8. Okay, now again 2 and 8 you can divide by 2. Okay, so here the next step also you can select 2. In place of 3 you can write 3 itself. 2 divided by 2 it is 1. 8 divided by 2, 4. Okay, 3, 1, 4 we got. Now 3 and 4. We can't find a number with which you can divide both 3 and 4. 3നെയും 4നെയും ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു പ്രൈം നമ്പർ നമുക്ക് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് നോട്ട് ദെയർ. സോ ലെറ്റ് us do the prime factorization of 3 and 4 separately. Okay, 3 you can divide by 3 only. So 3 divided by 3, 1. This in place of 1 you can write 1 itself. In place of 4 you can write 4 itself. Okay. Now here 4. Doing the prime factorization of 4. 4 you can divide by 2. Use prime numbers only for division. 4 you can divide by 2. So 1, 1. 4 divided by 2 it is 2. Now 2 you can divide by 2. So 1, 1, 1. Now we can stop. We got a 1 on the bottom line. Okay, we have to continue doing prime factorization till we get 1 on the bottom line. Okay, every number should be 1 in the bottom line. Now we can find the LCM. LCM equal to, you can multiply these numbers, these prime factors. 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2. Okay, on multiplying you will get a 288 only as answer. Okay, you can do the multiplication. 2 into 3 6, 6 into 2 12, 12 into 2 40, 12 into 2 24, 24 into 3 72, 72 into 2 it is 144, 144 into 2 it is 288. Okay, so whichever method we choose, the LCM will be the same only. Okay, now in that second question, 100, 150 and 200. So first we have to find the LCM by prime factor method. Okay, in prime factor method what we do? Do the prime factorization of given numbers. Okay, so first number 100. 100 you can divide by 2. 50. 50 you can divide by 2. 25. 25 you can divide by 5. 5. 5 you can divide by 5. 1. So 100 it is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, next doing the prime factorization of 150. You can divide by 2. 75. 75 you can divide by 3. 25. 25 you can divide by 5. 5. 5 you can divide by 5. 1. So 150 it is 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay, next 200. So doing the prime factorization of 200, what we will get? 200 you can divide by 200. 100 you can divide by 250. 50 you can divide by 225. 25 you can divide by 5. 5 you can divide by 5. 1. So you will get 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Okay, this is 200. Now we can see that here 2 prime factors used are 2, 3 and 5. ഓക്കെ, ഇവിടെ പ്രൈം ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് വരുന്നത് ഈ 3 നമ്പറിലും കൂടിയും വരുന്നത് 2 വരുന്നുണ്ട്, 3 വരുന്നുണ്ട്, 5 വരുന്നുണ്ട്. നൗ വി ക്യാൻ സി 2 ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് കമ്മിങ് 2 ടൈംസ് in 100, 1 time in 150, 3 times in 200. So which one we will select? We have to select the more number of times. 3 times 2 we can select. Okay, so LCM, in order to find LCM, 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, next 5 is coming. 5 it is used 2 times in 100, 2 times in 150, 2 times in 200. So here 2 times 5 is used in these 3 numbers. So you can select, you can write 2 times 5 for finding LCM also. ഈ 3 നമ്പറിലും 2 ടൈംസ് വരുന്നത് കൊണ്ട് LCM കാണുമ്പോഴും 2 ടൈംസ് എടുക്കാം, 5. ഓക്കെ, നൗ in this 150, 3 is coming 1 time, and in 100 and 200 3 is not coming. So you can select this 3 also into 3. That 1 time 3 you can select here. Okay, you can take to find LCM. Now on multiplying, what you will get? 2 into 2 into 2, it is 8. 8 into 5, 40. 40 into 5, 200. 200 into 3, it is 600. So LCM of 100, 150 and 200, it is 600. Okay, now let us find the LCM of 100, 150 and 200 by common division method. Okay, so in common division method we will do the prime factorization of 100, 150 and 200 together. Okay, so 100, 150, 200 you can divide by the prime number 2. Okay, here 100 divided by 250, 150 divided by 275, 200 divided by 200. Now we can divide 50, 75 and 100 by 5 only. Okay, 2 we can't select because 75 we can't divide by 2. Now 3 also we can't divide, we can't take because 100, it is 150, both are not divisible by 3. Okay, so next prime number it is 5. 5 we can divide 50, 75 and 100 by 5. Okay, 50 divided by 5, 10. 75 divided by 5, it is 15. 100 divided by 5, it is 20. Now here also we can select 5 for dividing. 10, 15 and 20. These three numbers are divisible by 5. 10 divided by 5, 2. 15 divided by 5, 3. 20 divided by 5, 4. Okay. Now here 2 and 4 you can divide by prime number 2. Okay, you can't find a prime number with which you can divide 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 2-നെയും 3-നെയും 4-നെയും divide ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു prime number ഇല്ല. So 2 and 4 let us select. 2 and 4 we can divide by 2. So 2 divided by 2, 1. In place of 3 you can write 3 itself. 4 divided by 2, 2. Okay, now you can't find a number with which you can find both, we can divide both 3 and 2. 3-നെയും 2-നെയും divide ചെയ്യുന്ന ഒരു number ഇല്ല. So let us do the prime factorization of 3 first. 3 you can divide by 3 only. So 1. 3 divided by 3, 1. In place of 2 you can write a 2 itself. Okay, you can't divide 2 by 3. So in place of 2 you can write a 2. 2-നെ 3 കൊണ്ട് divide ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് 2-ൻ്റെ പ്ലേസിൽ 2 തന്നെ എഴുതാം. Now 2 you can divide by 2 only. So 1, 1, 1. Now you can stop. You got a 1 on the bottom line. Okay. Now finding LCM. You can multiply these numbers. 2 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 2. Okay. 2 into 5 into 5 into 2 into 3 into 2. Now 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 5, 50. 50 into 2. 100, 100 into 3, 300, 300 into 2, 600. Whichever method we use, the LCM will be the same. Prime factor method also we got LCM 600. Okay, so answer is 600. Third one, 14, 21 and 98. So first let us use prime factor method. Okay, so in prime factor method we will do the prime factorization of the given numbers. Doing the prime factorization of 14. 14 you can divide by 2, 7. 7 you can divide by 7, 1. So 2 into 7. Next 21. 21 you can divide by 3. 7. 7 you can divide by 7, 1. 3 into 7. Then third number it is 98. 98 you can divide by 2. It is 49. 49 you can divide by 7. 7. 7 you can divide by 7, 1. So 2 into 7 into 7. Okay. Now here you can see the prime numbers used are 2, 3 and 7. Okay. In order to find LCM, first let us take a 2. 2 is used one time here in 14. One time in 98 and it is not coming in 21. Okay, so we can take a 2 one time. ഇവിടെ 2 1 ടൈം വരുന്നുണ്ട്, ഇവിടെയും 2 1 ടൈം വരുന്നുണ്ട്, ഇവിടെ വരുന്നേ ഇല്ല. സോ 1 ടൈം 2 നമുക്ക് എടുക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, ഇൻറ്റു നൗ ലെറ്റ് us take a 7. 7 is coming 1 time in 14, 1 time in 21, 2 times in 98. So which one we will select? We have to select the more number of time, greater number of time. Okay, so here 1 time, 2 time. So here 2 times we can select. Okay, കൂടുതൽ തവണ വരുന്ന ഏതാണോ അതാണ് എടുക്കേണ്ടത്. സോ ഇവിടെ 7 2 ടൈംസ് വരുന്നേ കൊണ്ട് LCM കാണാനും 2 ടൈംസ് എടുക്കാം. ഇൻറ്റു 3. It is coming 1 time in 21 and it is not coming in 14 and 98. So this 3, 1 time 3 we can select. Okay, 3 14 വരുന്നില്ല, 98 വരുന്നില്ല, ഒരു തവണ 21 വരുന്നുണ്ട്. So that 1 time we can select. Okay, into 3. Now on multiplying what you will get? 2 into 7, 14. 14 into 7. We will get 98. 98 into 3. 8 into 3, 24. 9 into 3, 27. 27 plus 2, 29. 294 will be the LCM. Okay. Next, let us use common division method for finding the LCM of 14, 21 and 98. Okay. So, common division method, we have to do the prime factorization together. 14, 21 and 98 we can divide by the prime number 7. Okay, these three numbers are divisible by 7. 14 divided by 7, 2. 21 divided by 7, 3. 98 divided by 7. What will get? 7 into 1, 7. 14 you will get. Okay. Now, 2, 3 and 14. We can't find a number with which you can divide these three numbers. 2, 3 and 14. 2 name, 3 name, 14 name divide in or prime number illa. Let us select 2 and 14. These two are even numbers. You can divide by 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. In place of 3, you can write 3 itself. 14 divided by 2, 7. Okay. Now, you can't find a prime number with which you can divide 3 and 7. 3 name, 7 name divide in or prime number illa. So, 3 the prime factorization ottiki cheyam, 7 the prime factorization then you can do. Okay. First doing the prime factorization of 3. 3 you can divide by 3 only. So, 1. 3 by 3 it is 1. In place of 7 you can write 7 itself. Next 7 you can divide by 7 only. So, 1, 1, 1. Now you can stop. Okay. So, what will be the LCM? LCM equal to 7 into 2 into. You can multiply these numbers. 7 into 2 into 3 into 7. So, what you will get? 7 into 2, 14. 14 into 3. It is 42. 42 into 7. You will get 294. The same we got in first method, prime factor method also. Okay. Exercise 8C, first question, third one, and second question, fourth and fifth one you can do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.